Okay, we're going to make a circuit board. Let's start out by laying out our circuit in Fritzing, making our traces, and generating our G-code using FlatCam and OpenSBP. Next, we'll tape our blank down to our spoil board and insert a 30-degree V-bit into the collet. The V-bit's sharp point allows us to make tiny traces onto our circuit board blank. And when that's finished, we'll swap that out for a really tiny end mill to drill the holes out for the LEDs. And then we're going to use the same bit to cut out the profile of our letter. So far, it looks great. Now all we have to do is prime, paint the front, insert our LEDs, and solder them onto our circuit board. And once we plug everything in, well, it lights right up.